Welcome back, you guys. My name is Abel from Valley Shenanigans. We're out here with my boy Titus from TNT9 Fishing. We got a little topwater challenge going on today, you guys. Little buzzbait challenge. We got about an hour or so after daylight, right? What do you think?
Yeah, about an hour, maybe an hour and a half.
Right, we're gonna get to it. See if we can get on some fish. We've been here for about maybe 30 minutes, and we've been throwing out a few things, and nothing's working so far. There's a few other anglers out here. One other angler just landed a fish, so we know they're out here. And let's get it. First cast on that buzzbait. Let's get it. This is like the perfect moment for topwater. We gotta get it. We see a lot of fry blowing up right here. Tons of fry blowing up on these little mosquitoes, little insects on the surface. There we are. Woo! Right at the bank, you guys. Right at the bank. Right at the bank. Check that out, you guys. Right at the bank, you guys. Beautiful. First one of the day on that topwater challenge with my boy. Using that big buck baits, shiny shad. Check that out, you guys. Pretty cool. Thank you, sir. Thank you for saving me from that skunk. Ooh, there's a nice swirl. Some nice swirls around here, but I think it's carp. A bass would have definitely gobbled this up already. I mean, that beautiful action, the nice shiny shad as a trailer. Yeah, if it was a bass, they would have gobbled it up already. We got like 15 minutes of daylight left. Let's see if we can land another one on that buzzbait.